If you want to get more views and grow faster on LinkedIn, enabling LinkedIn Creator Mode is one of the easiest ways to do it. First, open your LinkedIn profile. Then tap on Settings just below your profile section. Here, you'll see the option called Visibility. After that, click on the Profile Viewing option. There, you'll see different options. Make sure it should be turned on your name and headline. Then go back and click on the page visibility. Make sure it will be turned on. Scroll down and click on the Manage Active Status. Then turn on all LinkedIn members. You'll also unlock tools like content analytics and better visibility on your posts, which helps increase LinkedIn engagement and profile views. To get the best results, consistently post valuable content related to your selected topics. This is how LinkedIn Creator Mode actually boosts your visibility. That's it. Simple steps to optimize your LinkedIn profile and start getting more views fast.